rollers. Bit of a headache to pound on it and whatnot. There are two mistakes I made putting it back in. Loctite I could put on a bolt. The bracket that went over here, it's down there. The tab is down there, so it's a pain. I'm not gonna be able to take it out, but you gotta pay attention when you're doing this kind of work. So now you want to prep it, make sure it's nice and clean for the new bearing. You want to try and take that old shim out. This we don't care about because it's part of the old bearing. Gonna try and get that out. There we go. There we go. There, look at that. That's so nasty, eh? Just breaks right off. I'm going to tap on it a little bit. I don't want to be cross-threading that, so once you do that, it won't be any more good. Let's see if it'll go in now. Want to make sure she'll go in a few threads manually before you start taking the ratchet to it, otherwise you'll strip it. Once you strip it, it's hard to come back from that. So to show you, she was still hanging out. Right here, I'm using the bolts, two bolts that I put in to pull it back in to place instead of hammering out on it. If you hammer on it, you risk the chance of damaging the new one, so that's what I'm doing right now. Now you know all three bolts are in. Now you can start pulling the bearing in by using the bolt. gears out, away from the calipers, between the rotors. Put one of the lug nuts back on. You can hold the rotor in place so that it's not moving on you. Now you can tap on the caliper and make sure it's in place. All done.